Okay, now that the soloX 15s are installed, same amp, same everything, just switched out the subwoofers only. I doubt it's going to be as good, simply because the speakers are too small. They made them smaller, and so all 4 corner screws on each subwoofer is missing, so air is going to be able to come out those little holes, and it's going to sound crappy, I think. But let's give it a try. Same song and everything. It just straight sounds like crap. Like, it's not even really registering anything on here. It's got to hit over 120 dBs. Yeah, I gotta build baffles or something for it. I don't even know if baffles is the correct term. I gotta cut a ring around the outer square part of the sub, screw that to the box, and then screw the speakers to that piece. Like, they really dropped the ball on that one.